Welcome back to Maintainer's Garage. I'm Bags. Today I'm going to show you how much luggage a C6 Corvette can hold without being able to store the target top. And then I'm going to show you how much luggage a C6 can hold while being able to store the target top. And just for reference, both of these bags are the largest size you can check on an airline without going over the limit. So now with that kind of out of the way, let's get into it. Now we have our two 27-inch suitcases installed, and just to prove that I'm not full of total poop, there that is. So, and you want to push those all the way forward. If they're all the way back, the plastic trim on the trunk will hit it and won't close. And let's say you're like me and you like a lot of shoes. So you put 3 or 4 pair of shoes in here, and being soft, you can manipulate it and push it down. That goes right in there. Hey, a lady's got to feel pretty with her shoes, right? You know what I'm saying? You need your laptop because we got to, do something on the trip. Laptop bag fits perfectly. And you're going to take lovely family photos on your trip. Camera bag goes right there. That plastic trim will not crush it. And if I had my wife's permission, I would grab one of her purses and put it right there to show you how that fits, but I don't, so I'm not. Love you, baby. So that's how you can get 2 large suitcases, a small soft bag, laptop bag, camera bag in the back. Obviously the top will not store back here, but the trunk will close. It doesn't require a lot of effort. Went down, no slamming. There you are. Now you want to take a trip, but you want to feel pretty. You want to have your hair blow in the wind. You want to get your bald spot sunburned. You want to be able to take the top off and store it. I only have 1 garment bag, but you could easily do 2. 1 there and have another one overlapping here. I'm going to say you could probably do 4. You could have 1 there, 1 overlapping here, then another one overlapping, and another one overlapping. You've got about 6 inches, and I'm not even going to get into that, between the bottom of the floor and the post for the target top. So those work really well. If you don't have those, or you don't have enough of those, that large suitcase again will work. You flip it over, pull it all the way backwards, and the top goes right on top of it. The key here is your clothing can only come to the very top of this. It can't be piled up, and it's got to be level with these 2. When you're handling your top by yourself, be gentle, be easy, be careful. Just like that. You've got a small amount of space here, small amount of space here, but you have more space up front. This is your standard carry-on size. Now, to protect the front of your top, I would suggest not using this hard one, or if you have to use it, put a towel or something in between it, so that way it doesn't rub against the front of the top. Your laptop bag. Now you have room for your purse of whatever style, and if you want to put your camera back here, it'll fit right here, leaning on the ledge. Now you close the top and you're all good. Now that I've answered the question no one asked, how much can a C6 hold and still store its top, and how much can it hold and still not store its top? Now you've got an answer. And there's a million ways to figure out and configure this to store different things in different ways. I just showed you kind of what I've figured out in the few months that I've owned it, and just another reason this makes a great road trip car. Anyway, thanks for watching Maintainer's Garage. Have a great day.